Have you ever heard someone say, "Bro, it's turbocharged," and wondered what that actually means? Does a turbocharger just make your car louder, or is it actually doing something powerful under the hood? What if I told you your car can literally reuse its own exhaust gas to make more horsepower? Let's break it all down. The turbocharger explains simply. Turbochargers are one of the smartest upgrades in modern car engines. They take wasted energy, hot exhaust, and turn it into more speed. From daily drivers to high-performance supercars, turbos are everywhere. But how do they work? And why are car companies using them in almost every new engine? Get ready, because we're opening the hood and diving into the world of boost. A turbocharger is basically a small fan system that runs on your car's own exhaust gases. Instead of letting the hot exhaust flow straight out of the engine and into the air, a turbo captures that energy and puts it to work. How? When exhaust gases come out of the engine, they spin a turbine inside the turbocharger. This turbine is connected by a shaft to another component called a compressor wheel, which pulls in outside air, compresses it, and forces it into your engine's intake. Why force more air in? Because more air means more oxygen, and when you mix that with more fuel, you get a bigger explosion inside the combustion chamber. Bigger explosion equals more power. That's why turbocharged engines can make small cars feel super powerful without needing a huge engine block. Let's imagine a normal engine as a person breathing in air before sprinting that's naturally aspirated. But a turbocharged engine is like a person breathing with the help of a fan pushing air straight into their lungs. More air, more energy. Simple. That's why even small 3